40 minutes, 250 words, 66% weightage. Yes, we're talking about the IELTS Essay Writing Task. Hi, I'm Nivisha, a professional IELTS trainer, and today I'll help you decode the IELTS Writing Task 2, Essay Writing. The scores in the task depend on the following: task achievement, task response, coherence, grammatical range and accuracy, and lexical resource. Our aim is to curate a response to a problem or an argument. The writing topics are usually based on current events. So, the most effective way to prepare to read and work on sample essay questions. Here's an overview of the latest topics for 2023. Let's look at a few examples. The category we'll be looking at is personality. The topic is hobbies. Remember that the examiners have a short attention span and read hundreds of essays daily. Hence, it is important to start right. Hobbies is a common theme for writing and speaking sections. This is simple, mark-fetching topic which you can actually prepare a little in advance. Here, take a look at this sample essay. Feel free to take a screenshot of the next screen for future reference. Practicing sample essays will help you identify your strengths.
Join the LeapScholar IELTS courses to get access to live classes with recordings, 25 full-length speaking evaluations, 25 plus writing mock tests, study material, doubt-solving sessions, and much more now at 20% off. Click on the link in the description to enroll now.
Next, let's move on to the types of IELTS essays. You can expect essays from any of the following categories. First, opinion essays. In this category, you must discuss your opinion on the given topic. The best way to score high is to have prior knowledge of common topics. Sample questions could be something like, a high salary is much more important than job satisfaction. Do you agree or disagree? Here's what a high scoring answer would look like. You can take a screenshot for your reference. Done? Let's move on. Next is discussion essays. Here, you need to put forward an explanation for or against any given topic. These are the most common IELTS essays. Here's a sample question. Many believe that a child's surroundings, friends, and the type of content they consume affect their development. At the same time, others believe that a family's impact is much more important than its surroundings. You need to discuss both the opposing views and give your own opinion on the topic with reasons. Also, include any relevant examples from personal experience or knowledge. Here's a sample essay for you. Third, solution essays. Here, you have to provide a solution to a particular issue. At times, questions might be provided as to why a specific issue has occurred, and candidates have to provide their opinion on the answer. Here's a question you can practice. As social media continue to develop, more and more youngsters have unsupervised access to all the contents available over the internet in order to meet and chat with friends and even strangers, which can lead to some potentially dangerous situations. What solutions can you suggest to deal with this problem? Next one, advantage or disadvantage essays. Here, you have to write about a topic's positive and negative sides. This is to test your argument construction skills and how well you can communicate your views in English. A question, for instance. Some countries have recently passed laws to restrict the daily working hours of employees. Explain whether this will have a positive or negative impact. Make sure your answer covers both the aspects well. Direct question essays. Here, the topic is direct question, which you have to answer based on your experience and thoughts. Sample question. In advertising nowadays, businesses usually highlight and emphasize that their products are new in some way. Why do businesses practice this? Do you think this development is a positive practice or a negative one? Writing original thoughts will help you save time here. Remember, it is your writing skill that is being examined, not your thoughts on the topic. Now, let's understand how to draft your essays. Step 1. Read and understand the question. Carefully analyze the requirement, identify the type, and make note of the keywords. Step 2. Plan your answer and then structure your answer. This will allow you to organize your ideas and produce a clear and coherent response. Step 3. Write a solid introduction. The introduction should give an idea of what the essay is all about. Step 4. Carefully curate the main body. State your points and substantiate them with the explanations, examples, and other relevant data. Lastly, end with a strong conclusion. Now to wrap up, let's look at some quick preparation tips. Use diverse vocabulary and sentence structures. Make sure to use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Use examples to support your ideas. They will help you make a strong case. Proofread. Check for spelling and grammar errors always. Remember, practice and preparation is key. On that note, don't forget to click on the link in the description and enroll with LeapScholar at a 20% off. That's all for today. Hope you found this session helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts and stay tuned for the next session. Happy learning!
For more such training videos, subscribe to our channel, IELTS Prep by LeapScholar.